Hi guys, again, here I am. This is Sensei of Malaybalay City Central School, Malaybalay City. Today, I'm going to discuss about the LCM, or the least common factor. Are you ready? Go, go, go! Watch for the PowerPoint presentation. LCM, or the least common multiple. Multiples. What do we mean by multiples? A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. The counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and more. Example, list the multiples of 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are what we call the counting numbers. So, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and more. What are the first 5 multiples of 13? 13 times 1 equals 13. 13 times 2 equals 26. 13 times 3 equals 39. 13 times 4 equals 52. 13 times 5 equals 65. So, the multiples of 13 are 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, and more. So let's try to answer this one. Find the missing multiples. First example, 6, 12, 18. What do you think is this number multiple of? So let's examine the number. 6, 12, 18. 6, 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. Therefore, these numbers are multiples of 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24 plus 6, it's 30. So multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. How about the second example? 6, 9, 12. How to find the first number? To find the first number, subtract 6 from 9. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the next number? If we're going to add 12 by 3, then it is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. And 18 plus 3 is 21. Therefore, these numbers are multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. How about the last example? How to find the first number and the last number? So, let's examine the numbers. 24, 36, 48, 60. What do you think is the first number and the last number? To get the first number, subtract 24 from 36. 36 minus 24 equals 12. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. And what is the last number? Remember, you're going to add 12 from the last number. So 12, 60 plus 12 equals 72. So these numbers here are multiples of 12. Did you understand? Least common multiple or LCM. The least common multiple is the smallest number that is common between two lists of multiples, two or more lists of multiples. Let's try. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. Multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. And multiples of 18, 18, 36, 54, 72, 90. Is there a number that is common between the multiples of 12 and 18? Okay. So what do you think is the common multiple between 12 and 18? So here it is. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 for the multiples of 12, and 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 multiples of 18. This is how to do finding LCM using listing method. So it is easy for us to identify if what is the least common multiple between the two numbers. So we have 36. The first number you see in both lists is 36. If we're going to proceed on multiples of 12 and 18 numbers, we can find common multiple. It's 72, but it's not the least common multiple. So we're looking for the least common multiple. Therefore, the answer is 36. The least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36. Now let's try to find the LCM of 9 and 10. 9, 18, for multiples of 9, it's 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, and 72. And multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Is there a common multiple between the two numbers? If you don't see a common multiple, make its list go further. So 80, 72, 81, 90, and 99. And for the multiples of 10, 90, 100, 110. So we have 90 as the least common multiple of 9 and 10. Another example, find the LCM of 4 and 12. And 36. So the LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. Find the LCM of 36 and 42 using prime factorization. 36 is 2 times 18 and 2 is prime. 18 is 2 times 9, again 2 is prime, and 9 is 3 times 3, 3 is prime number. 42 is 2 times 21, 2 is prime. 21 is 3 times 7. 3 is prime and 7 is prime. Therefore, the prime factorization of 36 is 2 raised to the second power times 3 raised to the second power. So, this is an exponent, this one. What does it mean? 2 raised to the second power. Therefore, we have two factors of 2. 1, 2. So this is the second power. Then 3 raised to the second power. So how many 3's do we have? We have 1 and 2. Therefore, there are 2, 3. So that is 3 raised to the second power. Then for 42, we have 2 times 3 times 20 times 7. We have to use every prime number. The numbers we will use are 2, 3, and 7. We have 2 and 3 in both places. Select the bigger one. So that is 2 squared and 3 squared, or that is 2 raised to the second power and 3 raised to the second power and 7. So that is 2 raised to the second power, 3 raised to the second power, and 7. So the LCM, we will get the numbers that is this one. So we have 2 squared times 3 squared times 7. Oh, I'm sorry. So, multiply 2 times 2 equals 4 times 3 equals 9. So, 4 times 9 times 7 is 252. It means that these numbers 36 and 42, their least common multiple is 252. Another example, find the LCM of 88 and 102 using prime factorization. 88 is 2 times 44. 2 is prime. 4 is 2 times 22. Again, 2 is prime. 22 is 2 times 11. 2 is prime and 11 is prime. 102. 102 is 2 times 51. 2 is prime. 51 is 3 times 17. 3 is prime and 17 is prime. Therefore, the prime factorization of 88 is 2 raised to the third power times 11. Why do we call this one as 3 or the third power? Because we have 1, 2, 3. 3 twos. So that is 2 raised to the third power times 11. Then 102 is 2 times 3 times 17. So, we have to use every prime number. The numbers we will use are 2, 3, 11, and 17. We have 2 in both places. Then select the bigger one, that is 2 raised to the third power. If there is common number in both numbers, always select the bigger one. So we have 2 raised to the third power times 11 times 17 and times 3. So that is 2 raised to the third power times 3 times 11 times 17. So the least common multiple between 88 and 102 is 4,488. That's it. Thank you. So how did you find our lesson for today? Now, if you think you want to study it again, you can do it by yourself, review, so that you can get it. And once again, please subscribe to my channel, Math Magic with Fe Sensei. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.